እስኩ ጀማው በፓርቱ መተናል በመጀመሪያ I just want to say thank you for 500 subscribers 500 subscriber ገብተናል አልፈናል እና የዛሬ ቪዲዮ ላይ የሚሆነው ፓርት ነውና ወደ ቪዲዮ ከመግባቴ በፊት I just want to make introduction ቪዲዮ ምን እንደሚሆን so የመጀመሪያው ፓርት ላይ just racing track ላይ ነበረ ስነዳ የነበረው እኔና ጓደኛዬ ታይም ይይዙልናል so በአጭር ጊዜ ውስጥ like ያንን ላፕ ኮምፕሊት ያደረገ ሰው ያሸንፋል ማለት ነው ኮኖች ምናምን አሉ ታዩታላችሁ ኮኑን ከነካችሁ አንድ ኮን ከነካችሁ ምናምን 0.2 point off ያደርጋሉ ምናምን so basically this is like more competitive ከዛኛው ከሬሱ በላይ and then hopefully እንጂ ታደርጉታላችሁ ያስባል ይመቻችሁ okay guys ከኔ ጋር ቆዩ so መጀመሪያ ይርኩት እኔ ከማን በፊት እዚህኛው ኮምፒቲሽን ላይ ስንገባና like ኮርነሩም ልክ እንደ አዲስ ነው የሚሆንብኝ ማለት ነው ለኔ እዚህ ጋር ልክ እንደምታዩት ስላይድ እያደረኩ ነበረ እዚህ ይሄኛው ኮስት ያደርገኛል ሰከንድ again look in this like this sound is like you guys know like I'm not doing the right thing is
much better much better
so. okay
right, much better this is your last run right
that was
so put it all together put together everything that you've learned we've got a couple of cones you didn't hit any cones so that's fine
I didn't
no
oh surprise okay I ለመናገር like ኮኖችን የመቷቸው መስሎኝ ነበር ግን ምንም የመተውት የለም cuz I was speeding but corner like I wasn't good በደም ቀድሜ ነው ብሬክ ማድረግ ያለብኝ እዚህ ጋር ይሻላል ትንሽ እዚህ ጋር ስላይድ አድርግ ያለው but again this took ኤኛውን ፊክስ ባደርግ በእርግጠኝነት top 3 ውስጥ እገባለሁ ያስባለሁ but የሆነ ሆኗል ብቻ was good experience overall guys and
yeah 22-4
not bad the first two this is the third Mash the throttle here.
ደቂቃ ተይዞልኝ ምናምን ሃይ ስኮር ያመጣው 22.4 ሰከንድ 22.4 so I'm the first one so far
23.6 very good
so we win or not bro
እንደምታዩት ያብሴም እዚህ ጋር he was drifting like corner ጋር like braking like look this board
like a little harder damn Oh, make sure we gotta stop in those red cones over there. Big power. Remember, hard brake. Brake harder, brake earlier. Brake harder. Big brakes, big brakes. There it is. 20-32, not too shabby. We did hit a cone though. Yeah. There it is. There it is. Keep it going. Oh, brake. In the box. 22.5. Let's fucking go.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Appreciate it.
You're welcome, man.
Oh yeah.
See how he goes through.
it's just I think he's the highest one. He national አሸናፊው
Interesting.
corner ላይ የሚወስደው turn is so he's good on cornering like that part.
Yeah, he didn't lift that time. This is going to be a good time.
Look the time.
20.5. There you go. That is outstanding.
That's crazy.
First run, remember this is.
This is the second attempt. So guys,
we're not expecting tree stumps to be
and
pulled
Mekino
up.
A5
Nice
no.
Learn where the course
it's more
goes.
like a family sedan. This is not a sport car. ለማታውቁ ሰዎች መጀመሪያ ታክሊን down about a sport car, but this one is more a family car. እና የቤተሰብ መኪና ነውና ልክ እንደ ሬስ መኪና ነው እንደምስተኛ ሃንድሊንጉ it's kind of heavy guys ለመቆጣጠር ምናምን አላ ለማወዛወዝ ምናምን ወደ ጎን ወደ ቀኝ ወደ ግራ I was good overall I think I was on third
okay
ከዚህ የመጨረሻ ላፑ ነው
so this time that was good 22.6 Tamara did 22.1 so you know right?
Yeah, my
So,
24.
big throttle.
And everybody.
Off to the left, so that's going to open out that a little bit. Hard throttle. Hard throttle here.
So
Hard
mental
throttle
mercy.
between
Huh?
those
Mental
two.
mercy.
And hard throttle down the back.
Amazing experience.
You're doing good, my friend.
Amazing.
Alright, last run.
Sponsor እንግዲህ ያው Audi. Sponsor bro, Audi bro. Shout out for Audi.
Right, Sam. This is going to beat your time.
Tell you bro.
No. Confidently. Confident no. Confident no. Into speedway left. Oh, that's so neat though. You two are so good round there. Yeah, good. Now, flat, 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 flat. Listen.
Come on now.
There was a little lift, but I think. How's he doing? That's good. Now get it stopped.
21.5. Oh wow.
Oh, 21.5.
That's good. You're good. Yeah,
You're good. You didn't beat it.
Oh yeah!
Remember when we said people aren't competitive until there's a time on the board? What's your
I'm
name?
not gonna lie, guys. We got
Brian.
they beat all the time.
Enjoy your
አይ ሲጀምር ለእነሱ ብዬ ነው ቅድሙ ላይ እኔ ያሸነፈልሽ
መጀመሪያ ምን እንዳስከዱ ነው like መጨረሻ ላይ
22
best for last
won
የሚባል
at the
ነገር
end
ነው
there.
Stop the cap.
Hey guys, we're leaving the spot. What's your experience, bro? Like, how you feeling, bro? Tell me.
It was amazing. It was an amazing time. Best time that I have had for a long time.
In a long time, bro.
A long time, man.
Mind you guys, this is all free, okay? They gave us a gift, right? So I'm gonna show you, I've been doing a gift to. Again, experience-wise, 10 out of 10.
Let's start
I'm
from
not.
like, you know, light ምናምን ነገር.
Look this, bro. This is a rare hat right there, bro.
Rare hat right here. eBay ላይ እንግዲህ እንዳትሸጡት ተብሎ ያው እንግዲህ እዚህ
Sick.
ቤት ላደረገ ብቻ ነው የሚሰጠው ተብሎ እንግዲህ ያው
Sick, bro. Sick
እኔ
gift.
ካፕ አላደረገም ያው እንግዲህ
I'm wearing that,
I'll
bro.
give it to myself.
Yeah.
Okay, there's like a little እቺ ደግሞ ፋን ነገር ነች.
The fan, but for summer, bro. I gotta lie to you more like
Not
let's
too
go, like to be honest.
ለነገሩ እኔ I can't.
Yeah? You think?
I can't
As a
even
grown
throw
man, bro, you shouldn't be.
Nah,
You shouldn't, bro. Show them
And
the
then
last.
Best for last. Drum roll, please.
Come on now, bro. What you
Lego
call that,
set.
bro?
A Lego set.
A Lego setup right there, bro.
When I tell
I'm not
you
gonna-
I'm a big fan of Legos and
Yeah, you do, bro.
Fast and Furious ቁጭ አደረኳት መኝታ ቤት.
This is sick, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time again, subscribe, like, comment. Peace out.